Question number 101. The term computer is derived from A. Sanskrit language, B. German language, C. Greek language, D. Latin language. Correct answer is D. Latin language. Question number 102. Who is known as the father of computer? A. Vint Cerf, B. Dennis Rage, C. Tim Berners-Lee, D. Charles Babbage. Correct answer is D. Charles Babbage. Question number 103. What was the name of first computer designed by Charles Babbage? A. ENIAC, B. Colossus, C. Ferranti Mark I, D. Analytical Engine. Correct answer is D. Analytical Engine. Question number 104. A underscore is an electronic device that processes data and converts it into information. A. Styles, B. Computer, C. Processor, D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Computer. Question number 105. When was the first operating system developed? A. 1948, B. 1949, C. 1950, D. 1951. Correct answer is C. 1950. Question number 106. In which generation operating system were developed? A. First generation, B. Second generation, C. Third generation, D. Fourth generation. Correct answer is C. Third generation. Question number 107. What is an operating system? A. A set of programs which control computer working. B. A way of computer drives works. C. A set of devices and programs. D. All of the above. Correct answer is A. A set of program. Question number 108. What is the primary purpose of an operating system? A. Make computer easier to use. B. Allow people to use the computers. C. Keep system programmers employed. D. Make the most efficient. Correct answer is A. Question number 109. Which of the following is not an operating system? A. Windows, B. Oracle, C. Linux, D. DOS. Correct answer is B. Oracle. Question number 110. Integrated circuit or IC are related to which generations of computer? A. First generation, B. Second generation, C. Third generation, D. Fourth generation. Correct answer is C. Third generation. Question number 111. Who is the developer of mouse? A. Dennis Rage, B. Douglas Engelbart, C. Charles Babbage, D. Christopher Latham Scholes. Correct answer is B. Douglas Engelbart. Question number 112. Computer mouse is used for A. Drawing, B. Creating lines, C. Selecting options, D. All of these. Correct answer is D. All of these. Question number 113. Computer mouse is an essential part of A. CPU, B. Software, C. Hardware, D. Motherboard. Correct answer is C. Hardware. Question number 114. Who is the developer of keyboard? A. Dennis Rage, B. Douglas Engelbart, C. Christopher Latham Scholes, D. Charles Babbage. Correct answer is C. Christopher Latham Scholes. Question number 115. Which one is the most popular keyboard? A. USB keyboard, B. QWERTY keyboard, C. Multimedia keyboard, D. Mechanical keyboard. Correct answer is B. QWERTY keyboard. Question number 116. Taskbar is used for A. Start a program, B. Navigation program, C. Switching between program, D. all of the above. Correct answer is D, all of the above. Question number 117. From where we can change the name of an user account? A. Setting. B. Computer. C. Code panel. D. Control panel. Correct answer is D. Control panel. Question number 118. How can we bring my computer icon on the desktop if it is not there? A. From Setting. B. From Wallpaper. C. From Display Properties. D. From Explorer. Correct answer is C. From Display Properties. Question number 119. When you delete a file from a computer, where does it go? A. Taskbar. B. Hard disk. C. Recycle bin. D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Recycle bin. Question number 120. Early computer like ENIAC, EDVAC, and UNIVAC all can be classified as A. First-generation computers. B. Second-generation computers. C. Third-generation computers. D. None. Correct answer is A. Question number 121. Which of the following is still useful for adding numbers? A. ENIAC. B. EDSAC. C. UNIVAC. D. Abacus. Correct answer is D. Abacus. Question number 122. Abacus was developed by A. India. B. China. C. America. D. Germany. Correct answer is B. China. Question number 123. What is the full form of IBM? A. International Business Machine. B. Internal Business Machine. C. International Bus Machine. D. Internal Bus Machine. Correct answer is A. International Business Machine. Question number 124. UNIVAC stands for A. Universal Array Computer. B. Unique Automatic Computer. C. Universal Automatic Computer. D. Unvalued Automatic Computer. Correct answer is C. Universal Automatic Computer. Question number 125. IPO stands for A. Information Process Output. B. Input Processing Outrage. C. Information Processing Output. D. Input Processing Output. Correct answer is D. Input Processing Output. Question of the day. Which one is not an input device? A. Speaker. B. Keyboard. C. Scanner. D. Mouse. Please leave correct answer in comment section down below.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit that notification bell icon. For more content, click on above videos.